Hey guys, welcome back to your base lessons. In today's video, I'll be giving you 3 special grooves you can play around with. So to most of you who normally go to program and maybe sound check time, you do not have nothing to play during the sound check time, this groove I'm about to teach you is for you, okay? If you're also new to this YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and also share this video to your friends. I also do private class lessons. If you're interested, you see the link in the comment section below or in the description below. Click on the link and to take you direct to my WhatsApp, okay? So guys, grab your bass and let's begin with the tutorial. So guys, let's look at the first groove, and I'm going to be playing it on key G, okay? And if you're using a 4 string, I'll teach you how to play. If you're using a 5 string, it'll be easy for you, okay? But you just need to understand what we are playing here. The progression is very simple. 6 6 1, then to your 2 2 4, then to your 6. You understand, okay? So let me break it down for you because I played many ghost notes, so you need to know where to play the ghost note so that when you are playing the note, the root note, or maybe any note, you won't get off the beat. You understand, okay? So let's say we are playing on 6 now. This was what I played, okay? So you can play this on a 4 string. So 5 6, then you see your E string. Your E string gives you your 6, okay? So you just have to pluck on your 5, hammer on your 6, then you play your E string. You understand? Okay, so okay, da da da. You understand? So 1 2 3 go. So now you'll be doing 3 ghost notes that will take you to your 1, okay, on that E string, okay? So don't get confused where to play the ghost note. Do it on the 4th string, okay? So da da da. Then you slide to your 1. So 1, your root and your octave, okay? Da da. So da 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 da. You understand? Okay. So just take it slow. Then now you'll be going to your 2 progression. So I think here you'll be playing just 1 ghost note. Then you play. So what are the notes over here? I played 2 3 5 6 1 2 2. You understand? So you pluck on 2, hammer on 3, pluck on 5, hammer on 6, then pluck on 1 2, then 2. You understand? Okay. Then you do that same ghost note you did to your 1, do it to your 4. So you'll be ghost noting on your 3rd string, okay? Okay, then 4 4. Then you slide to your 4. You slide it to your 1, then 4. You understand? Okay. So even in case you don't want to play your 6 using your E string, you can just play with your root and octave. That is your 6 octave and your root. So you see, okay. Or sometimes you can just do it freely. Bam bam. Then coming back to your 6 again. You understand? So when you're done playing your 4, you do a ghost note 1 just like the way you did it to your 2. So 2 3 2 3, then 5 1 6, then your E string gives you your 6. You understand? Okay. So I hope you got that. So you understand? 2 3, you hammer on 3, 5, you block on 5, you block on 1, then you block on 6 and your 6. You understand? So Okay, so I played a lick. I played 2 licks in this groove. Okay, so let me break it down for you and let you know where you can play them. Yeah. So when you've done, okay, so now to okay. So now you'll be playing 3 4 3 4 3 3 4 3. You pluck on your 3, hammer on 4, then pluck on 3. Okay, da, da, da. 2 1. Okay, 6 5 5 6 6. Okay, so I even brought in the 6. You understand? Da, 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 da. Okay, so that is 3 4 6 3. Okay, yeah. You understand? So da 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 da. Then you continue. When you do that on your 6, it takes you to your 6. So just continue from your 1. You see? Now to your 4 lick I played. Okay, so you are descending, so 4. You understand? Okay, so you pluck on your 4, your root, and now to your octave. So 4 4 3 2 1 6 5, then 3 2 1 6. Okay, you understand? Don't miss any note. Don't overcount the note. Just play the same note so that you won't miss the tempo of the beat. Okay, so then you continue with the groove. Okay, so now let's look at the second groove, but now I'll be playing the second groove on key D. On key D. Okay, I won't play it on key G, but key D rather. Okay, so this you can play it on key D. Okay, normally if you're using a 5 string here. Okay, so let me break it down for you. So here we are just playing only your 4 4 4 4 into your 6. That's it, and 4 4. You understand? Okay, so the groove goes like this to your 4. So you pluck on your 4 4 4, goes note 3 times, 4 goes note 1, then 4. Okay, okay, so 4 4 4, then out to your 6. So you play 2 3 6 6, the same you did on your 4. Okay, just do it like that, simple, before you can be bringing up the licks and stuff. Okay, so dun, dun. Okay, you remember that you can also play it on key G. Okay, so now let's go back to our D. Okay, so now I brought in a very nice fill. So 6 7 1 3 4 4 4 4. you can also bring these two. Okay, so okay, cool. The first one. Two, 3, 2, 1, 4. Then to your 6. Okay, so I also played a lick here, just like the first groove. Okay, then you stop. You understand? Okay, 4, 4, 4, 2, 3, 6, 6. You stop. Then you continue from 3, 4. Okay, 3, 4, 3. Okay, then you descend. 2, 1. Okay. So 3, 4, 3, 2, 1, 7, 6, 5, 3, 4. It brings you back to your 4. Okay. Then you can continue with the groove. You understand? Okay. So now let's move to the third bass groove, but I'll be playing it back on key G. Okay. So I just want you to play with your earring a little bit. Just want you to change the key. Not that every time we're playing on key G. You understand? So let's come back to key G and learn the third groove. It is very, very nice if you can learn this third groove. Okay. Go. Here I was just using the arpeggios to play it. Okay, so it is just your 2 and your 3. Okay, so if you haven't learned the arpeggios, I want you to DM me privately. Okay, so on your 2 and your 3, you understand, you're just going to use it like that. Okay, so okay, so from your 2 to your 3, 2 to 3 goes note, then 4, 4, 6, 1, 6, 4, 2, 3, 3. Okay. So you play 3, 3, 5, 5, 7, 2, 7, then 5, 3, 2, 2, 2, da, da, da. Okay, so something like that. Okay, it is just you descending from your 3 flat 2. Okay, you understand? So 3, then you play 2, 3. Okay, then you play, this is your 3 flats, then your 2 flats and your 3 flats. Okay, okay, then you play, after you done playing, then you play, that's your 3 flat root and your octave. Okay, then 2, 2. So bam 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 doom doom. You understand? Okay, so I want you to use it. You can be playing around with this, or if you go to a program, the sound check is very important. You have to play something for them just to give them the vibe that Charlie, you are raining. You understand? Okay, so learn this and master this very, very well. Okay, and play with it out there. Okay, especially with the third one. If you play the third one very, very well, you're gonna gain more, let's say, respect and all those kind of things. So I'll be seeing you guys in the next video. Don't miss. Bye for now.